cutie patooties. We are working on 2-digit addition and subtraction. So every equation tells a story. You have to stay in your area for writing. So right now, this is what I'd like you to do is make an HTO chart just like that for me. Good job.
This one doesn't work.
Well, let's get you another one then. Here you go, love bug.
Must somebody not have cut the cap and they must have not have hold it snap.
I know. We got to work on that, don't we? Okay.
I did an H chart.
HTO. What's the H stand for?
Hundred.
Good. You don't have to yell it. Use your inside voice. Tens and ones. Well done. Now, watch. Every equation tells a story. So here's our first equation. You have 52 Bronco bucks. So write the number 52. Okay. And you have 36 Bronco bucks. So write the number 36. Good job. Now here's the question. Listen to the question and decide if we're going to add or subtract. I want to know how many Bronco bucks you have all together. Good man. So put your addition symbol, equals, and a blank. You got it? Now, so this equation tells a story. You guys are so good making your base 10 blocks. This is going to be easy for you. So look at the first number, 52. Let's draw it nice and neat. 5 tens and 2 ones.
Okay, I forgot.
Good job, cuties. Come on in and you can join a math rotation or you can go to math on your Google Classroom. Our next add-in is 36. Make your 3 tens nice and neat. And your 6. Y'all can either grab the iPad and work on the math together, or you can join any of these rotations. Good?
You said yesterday you were gonna get me like that.
When we go to recess. Thank you for reminding me. All right. Now watch. You got it? Check. Do you have your 2 ones nice and neat? Do you have your 6 ones nice and neat? You've got your 6 ones. I don't see your 2 ones. Do you see it? There you go. So don't forget them. Now make sure you're being nice and neat because when we start regrouping, we're going to have to bundle. Count your ones with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Write down your 8. You got it?
88.
Now let's count our tens with me. You ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So at the bottom, look, 80 plus 8. That's expanded form.
18.
What's 80 plus 8? 88. Hey, how many Bronco bucks did you have in all? 88. Okay, this is an addition problem. We're going to turn it into a subtraction problem. Don't erase. Watch me. I'm going to take this number, 88. You write the number 88. My boys and girls at the game and the worksheets. Okay, Casey, come sit over here. I need you to do a volume check because I can't hear my crew next to me, okay? Thank you. Bring it down. There you go, love bug.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going
18
to,
plus.
let's do this. Let's do 95. Ooh, let's say Sutton has 95 baseball cards. Okay?
I don't know how many I have. They have a lot.
Now watch. He's going to give 43 to you guys. So write 95 and write 43. Now, what symbol are we going to use if he's giving them away?
Minus because we're taking some away.
Good job. Now, this is where it gets important to be neat with your base 10 blocks. We've got 95. Draw your 9 tens. 1, 2,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
I love how careful you counted. You make sure you got 9. Double check it.
I got 9. 2, 3, 4, 8.
Good. Now we got to draw our. Did you see what happened? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's take those two. Now, how many ones do we need to draw, fellas?
5.
So let's do it nice and neat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
Good. Now,
I'm just gonna do an extra one because that will look like 4 1.
well, why don't we join it together? How's that? Okay, now watch. We're taking away. So I've got 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. Got it?
2
So-
ones.
Cross out 3. 1, 2, 3. And cross out 4 tens.
4. Done.
Now count up what's left and write it down. Do it this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count up what's left. How many ones do we have left, fellas? Nice. And how many? 52. All right. So 95 minus 43 is 52. Remember, this is a story. You had this many baseball cards. You gave this many away. How many do you have left?
52.
Ta-da! Turn to somebody and tell them you're so smart.
You're so smart.
Well done. Erase your table. Let's do another one. You guys are rocking. Rocking. They're fun. Math is fun, isn't it? You're so smart. Let's try one with 3 digits. Adding in the hundreds. Are you ready? Oh, it's going to blow your mind. All right. You had 124 Bronco Bucks. Write down 124. Class.
Yes, yes.
I appreciate how hard my kids at their centers are working, but I need you to bring it down to volume 1 for me, please. Thank you. Okay, so what did we say this number was?
124.
Bronco Bucks. And then you had 124 Bronco Bucks. So, and we wanted to know how many you had all together. What are we going to do? Add or subtract? Add. So write your addition symbol
That's the same number.
and equals. It is the same number. Now, is that an addition symbol or a subtraction? Good. Check your neighbors. I want you to write it like this. 124 plus 124.
Wait,
All right.
does that mean
So,
we have 2 tens?
Let's draw our 100.
200. You have 2.
Well, not yet.
Put 2.
I love how you're thinking. Let's do the first add-in. Draw your 100. Draw your 2 tens. Make sure they're nice and neat. Good job. Draw your 4 ones. Way to go. Now, here's our next add-in. You were right. What do we need to draw? 100. 2 tens. Good counting. Make sure you got your 2 tens. And 4 more ones. Now don't spoil it. Count your ones with me. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Write it down. Count your tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. Write it down. Hold on, let me get. If you're in another rotation, I'm going to ask you to go ahead and clean up. Let me hit my timer so I can finish with this group for 2 more seconds. Count your hundreds. What do we have, guys? 100, 200. Well done. Put it all together.
248.
248. So remember, remember this is a math story. How many Bronco Bucks do you have all together? 200. Hey, turn to somebody at the table and say, "You're so smart."
You're so smart.
Well done.